Leafy greens are a group of vegetables known for their vibrant green leaves and exceptional nutritional value.
Some common leafy greens include spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and lettuce. Here are the benefits of consuming leafy greens, how to include them in your diet, and who should exercise caution or avoid them. Benefits of leafy greens. Nutrient-rich. Leafy greens are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Low in calories. They are typically low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management and calorie-conscious diets. Fiber content. Leafy greens are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, helps maintain regular bowel movements, and aids in weight loss. Antioxidants. Many leafy greens are abundant in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and lutein, which help protect cells from damage. Heart health. Consuming leafy greens may reduce the risk of heart disease due to their role in lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Bone health. Leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin K and calcium, which are vital for strong and healthy bones. Anti-inflammatory. The natural compounds in leafy greens have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Blood sugar control. Some leafy greens have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. How to consume leafy greens. Salads. Fresh leafy greens make delicious salads. Combine them with a variety of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and a healthy dressing for a nutritious meal. Smoothies. Add a handful of leafy greens to your morning smoothie for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Cooked dishes. Steam leafy greens as a side dish or incorporate them into main courses, soups, and stir-fries. Sandwiches and wraps. Use lettuce, spinach, or kale leaves as a crisp and nutritious alternative to traditional bread or tortillas. Soups. Spinach, Swiss chard, or collard greens can be added to soups and stews for added nutrition. Green juices. Extract the juice from leafy greens using a juicer for a concentrated dose of nutrients. Grains and grain bowls. Top grain bowls or dishes like quinoa and rice with sautéed or steamed greens. Who should exercise caution or avoid leafy greens? While leafy greens are incredibly nutritious and beneficial for most people, there are certain groups who should exercise caution or limit their consumption. People on blood thinners. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're on such medication, it's important to maintain consistent and moderate intake of leafy greens and consult your healthcare provider for guidance. Individuals with oxalate sensitivity. Some leafy greens, like spinach and Swiss chard, are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones. People with a history of kidney stones may need to moderate their consumption of these specific greens. In summary, leafy greens are a nutritional powerhouse and can be enjoyed by most individuals as part of a healthy diet. They offer a wide array of health benefits, and their versatility makes them easy to include in a variety of dishes. However, it's essential to be aware of any individual dietary restrictions or medical conditions that may require specific dietary modifications.